Hello everyone, bonjour tout le monde. Guys, if you remember in paper 2 reading, there are three first questions which are quite easy to tackle. But if you are still struggling, then what I have done is I have picked out all the list of vocab from the 2021 papers. All the year papers means it can be March, for May, June, it can be for the November session. So all the papers I have picked up all the vocab from those papers, especially question 1, 2 and 3. I have extracted topic wise vocab, for example schools and subjects, for example places, adverbs, adjectives. There are a lot more. Now from where to get that? Anyway, you can just now you just need to go to the description and download the PDF which has everything for those three questions, and just try to memorize that vocab. Write down that vocab and try to read that vocab again. In fact, all the 2021 papers I am giving you in the description. You can download the 2021 papers as well, question 1, 2, 3, plus the vocab from that paper. And also you can take the printout and try to solve that paper after reading the vocab, and I'm sure this is going to help you. Do watch and keep waiting for such more videos. I can give you more if you want, but I need a comment for that. Keep enjoying.